Hello everyone, this is Chicama Surf Cam and my Surf Cam Peru, trying to let you know how to get to the Cape. Actually, when most people arrive here, like Juan Carlos and our friends, they come and check the wave and they said, hey, it's flat, I shouldn't stay here, maybe go somewhere else. Well, let me tell you, if you go south there are more beaches and more wave you are gonna find. Wave like El Hombre, for example, that is not on the summertime season breaking, but looks like that. Las Tetas too looks like that, Las Dos Tetas section, don't take me wrong. And the Point Break looks like that in summertime. So if you are picky and you want something bigger, well, you always can go around in this corner, turn to the left, and then go south there, past this beach that is called the Cross, because you're gonna find a cross on the left side. You have to check the last episode, and then you're gonna find this shelter and this kind of a seat where photographers sit to take picture of the surfer. That's how it looked, the beach of the Cape, actually in summertime. You have to continue going south until you see that hill. You stop on that hill, or actually at the end of that hill there is a big platform of rock that I am picturing now, and that's the entrance. Be careful, don't entrance on top of the rock if you don't know, and then just walk beside the rocks and paddle forward. That would be how to get there. How long it takes to get here? About 20 minutes walking from Chicama Surf Camp, that is actually where all the hotels, resorts, area are located. If you don't want to walk, you always can take a boat. The boat will cost you about 80 bucks depending of the sport. Actually, in this time we are gonna go by boat all together, like shortboard, longboard, foil, but the foil will go south there to the island, which we are gonna make another episode. The next episode is gonna be about the island wave. He's gonna come from that island surfing until it get to the Cape, and you are gonna see it on this video. However, we are gonna try to have a little fun paddling and surfing, and while Juan Carlos, our friend, is going south there with the boat to the island. Anyways, that's how it looked, the wave, the Cape wave actually, or the wave of the Cape. And sometimes this wave get together with the cross wave, so it's a phenomenon that sometimes happen on summertime. Actually, the months of December or January, February, you are gonna see that these waves connect each other, and then it start to come on winter time. The swells from the south bigger and bigger and clean all the bottom at that beach, and pillows the sand, and the rocks appear, which is make a little bit difficult to pass actually from the Cape to the Cross, which I mean doesn't connect anymore. And that phenomenon, like I said, is on summertime, and beginners, intermediate, and advanced have fun, but mostly beginners are intermediate are more welcome, because the side is like 1 meter wave, 1.5 meters at the normal, at the most. And then another thing you should know is the temperature of the water. Here, summertime, we're still using wetsuit, not the 3.2 that we use in winter. We use the 2.2 in summertime, but we still use wetsuit. The wind is less than winter time. The swells are not that bigger like the winter time, but we still having wave 350 360 or 365 days of the year. And another thing you should know is that the wind, the sun is not actually good on winter time, that is from May, June, July, but still you have a few hours of sun during those months. But in summertime, it's the time of the Cape, you have sun like all the day, from 6 to 7 or from 6 to 7 something. Okay, so that's how I'm having fun here. So actually that's how it looked, the wave from the inside. And look, it's really fun. I enjoy to be here and having wave all year around. This is a panoramic view of the Cape, and that's how it looks, the wave, and how long you can ride this wave, as you can see. I gotta tell you that these videos that we make, it take a lot of time, take a lot of money and a lot of effort to do it. If you want to contribute or help us with some donation, you are more than welcome, and we are gonna be happy and motivated to do more of those videos that help to tourists or foreigners or not locals that can get informed about what is happening here. Anyways, I'm gonna give you all the details, like you can pay through PayPal, you can donate through PayPal. If you are in Peru, you can do Yape or Plin, only for Peruvians. But if you are outside the country, you always can PayPal us, donation Victor Cufat, and that's the email. Thank you very much for watching us, and I hope you like this video. God help to your goals, and see you later. Bye bye, alligators.